Anybody that knows and loves me knows I am obsessed with peanut butter. Yesterday I went grocery shopping and found this peanut butter and chocolate. You guys, it is so good. We as a family have been enjoying it. Okay, this is not just me, but I've been eating it with pretzels. It is so good. I could imagine this being amazing on like ice cream, or it has an apple on here. I'm gonna try it with apples. So good. You have to go try it. You have to go find it. I love it so much. And it's dairy free. It's dairy free, which makes it even better.